Well, hello, beautiful.
I'm not weak.
Believe me, folks, if I didn't bring it up, you would never have it.
Saturday night, but it's that good with you, yes, we're one and the same. Now I believe in miracles, and a miracle is happening tonight. But if you're thinking about my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white.
Alright, clearly we need to set some rules. Rule number 1. You will not touch anything.
What about the floor?
Yes, you may touch the floor.
What about the air?
Yes, you may touch the air.
What about this?
Okay, rule number 2, you will not bother me while I'm working. Rule number 3, you will not cry, or whine, or laugh, or giggle, or sneeze, or burp, or fart.
Let's put a smile on that face.